Is your cake playing hide and seek in the middle? Well, don't worry because in this video, I will break down why your cake sometimes sinks in the middle and how to fix that. So let's bake confidently together. Hi guys, this is Dipti Harshadwartak and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will try to find out the possible reasons of why your cake sometimes sinks in the middle. What are the reasons why it happens? What are the causes why it happens and how to fix that? Okay, so let's get started by first understanding what do you mean by sinking a cake in the middle, right? So see, when you are baking a cake, जब भी आप अपना cake bake कर रहे हो, तभी there are three steps that are involved, right? The first step is measuring your ingredients correctly. The second one is mixing and making a cake batter. And the third one is actually baking a cake in your OTG, microwave, cooker or kadhi, right? Now, if any of these steps have a particular issue, that will show in your cake. That will show in the texture of your sponges. So let us try to find out what exactly happens and what do we mean by cake sinking in the middle. So you must have seen when you have tried to bake a cake, you must have seen during the baking process, the cake was rising very nicely. You got a nice rise when the cake was inside your OTG, but the moment you took it out, the cake sat in the middle, right? Cake जो है वो नीचे बैठ जाता है, right? So this is called as cake sinking in the middle. The simplified process, if I have to explain this to you in a very simplified way, so inside our OTG, what exactly happens is that the ingredients are reacting with each other, especially your raising agents like your baking powder, baking soda, or if you are using egg for making your cakes, right? They react with each other and they create small air pockets. These air pockets help you rise your cake very nicely when the cake is baking inside your OTG, right? When the heat is available, the air pockets will stay intact. But जैसे ही आप अपना केक OTG से बाहर निकालते हो, these air pockets or these air bubbles, they start bursting, right? That is the reason जब भी आप अपना केक कट करते हो, you won't see these air bubbles. ठीक है? So this is what actually happens when the cake is baking and this is how the cake rises very nicely while you are baking it. But just imagine if there are so many air bubbles. अगर air bubbles काफी ज्यादा है, if air pockets are too many, right? All these air bubbles they will come together in presence of heat और एक बड़ा सा air bubble बन जाता है, ठीक है? और एक बड़ा सा air pocket और एक बड़ा सा balloon बन जाता है. Now what happens is that in presence of heat, this air bubble remains intact. But the moment you remove it from your OTG, now there is no heat and this air bubble that has formed or this balloon that has formed, that will burst, and because of which during the baking process you will see that your cake is rising very nicely, but the moment you take it out, because the air bubble has now burst, जो balloon था वो अभी फट गया है, because of that your cake will actually sink in the middle. So this is what happens. Now let me tell you 5 reasons why this particular thing happens. Okay, so the first and the very important reason is your incorrect measurements, right? Guys, we have to understand one thing, baking is chemistry. ठीक है, baking एक science है. So जो भी आप ingredients आप अपने recipe में use कर रहे हो, these ingredients are reacting with each other in a particular way. जब भी आप कोई भी चीज कुक करते हो, कोई भी कुकिंग रेसिपी लेते हो, राइट, दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑन द रेसिपी, क्योंकि द मोमेंट यू आर एडिंग वन ingredient after the another, you can actually control the amount of ingredient that you are putting. But in case of baking, you have already mixed all the ingredients. Your cake batter is also ready. Now your baking time and baking temperature, now they are doing the magic. So you do not have any control as such. That is the reason you need to measure your ingredients correctly so that they react with each other very, very nicely. Because remember one thing, even few grams of additional ingredients can affect the cake texture badly. For example, if you happen to take more baking powder and baking soda in your recipe while making any particular cake, these ingredients are going to create lot of air bubbles. Now, because there are too many air bubbles, because there are so many air pockets that are created, when you actually start baking this cake, all these air bubbles will come together. They will form a big air bubble, right? When you take the cake tin out, because there is no heat, this air bubble is going to burst, thereby ensuring that your cake is sinking in the middle. और आपका cake जो है वो बीच में बैठ जाता. Okay, so the first reason was that. Hence, I will recommend all of you all to please start measuring your baking ingredients precisely so that you don't end up getting such kind of issues while you are baking a cake in your own kitchen. The second most important reason is over mixing. So I have seen lot of bakers when they are mixing their wet ingredients or when they are mixing their dry and wet ingredients together, they keep on mixing it very vigorously. Okay, so again, please try to avoid that, because what you are doing at this point of time, when you are using your electric beater for a very long period of time in your cake batter, or when you are whisking it, even using your hand whisk, and if you are whisking it very vigorously, you are incorporating, knowingly or unknowingly, you are incorporating a lot of air bubbles. आप इतने ज्यादा air bubbles आपके cake batter में डाल रहे हो, these air bubbles are going to come together during baking, एक बड़ा सा एयर पॉकेट बन जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर द बेकिंग इज ओवर, इन एब्सेंस ऑफ दैट हीट, दिस एयर बबल इज जस्ट गोइंग टू गो डाउन, राइट? वो जो बलून है वो वापस फट जाएगा एंड आपका जो केक है वो नीचे बैठ जाएगा, राइट? सो प्लीज अवॉइड ओवर मिक्सिंग योर cake batter. That is very, very important. The third very, very important reason why your cake sinks in the middle is the temperature, right? So please do not bake your cakes at a very high temperature, and please start doing preheating before you actually put your cake batter for baking in your cooker, kadhai, in your OTG or in your microwave as well. That is very, very important. If you are baking your cake at a very high temperature, all the ingredients will start reacting with each other very, very fast, right? Because all the ingredients are reacting with each other very fast, the cake will rise too fast, right? If the cake will start rising too fast, inside of the cake will not bake, right? Because there is so much moisture available inside your bake, available inside your cake. The moment you take it out, the cake is just going to sit in the middle. Okay, the cake will definitely sink in the middle. So please avoid, the third reason is please avoid baking a cake at a very high temperature. Learn to set up your OTG, microwave, cooker and kadai precisely, so that you don't end up getting a flop cake or a very bad texture for your cake. That is the third reason. The fourth reason is under baking. So I have seen a lot of people, see, every OTG or every microwave is different from, so the OTG that I'm using or the OTG that you will be using, or maybe you are baking a cake in your microwave, right? You need to pay attention to the recipe that is given to you. The time and the temperature that is given inside your recipe is actually very indicative. Okay, it is not general temperature or time, right? In your microwave, you will take little more time to bake the cake. In my OTG, maybe I will take little lesser time to bake the cake. So the good idea to go about this particular thing is, please ensure that you are letting your cake bake for that particular time, remove it, and then do the doneness check. Once the toothpick or the knife has come out clean, that means your baking is done and you don't have to bake any further. Lot of people, they just simply ignore this particular fact. They just focus on the recipe that is mentioned, the time that is mentioned, and they remove the cake tin exactly at that point of time. Now, because you are baking a cake in your cooker or kadhai or your microwave, you might take a longer time to bake the cake. But when you are removing this cake tin beforehand, what you are actually doing is under baking. In case of under baking, you will see the crust of the cake is already formed, but inside the cake batter is still not baked properly. You will see a lot of moisture, and because you see a lot of moisture, the moment you remove it outside, you are going to get that dip in your cake. ठीक है, आपका केक वापस बैठ जाएगा, because केक पूरी तरीके से बेक ही नहीं हुआ है. आपने उसको ठीक से टाइम ही नहीं दिया कि ताकि वो केक ताकि आपका जो केक है वो अच्छे से बेक हो सके, राइट? ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, दे आर नॉट रिएक्टेड विथ ईच अदर प्रॉपरली. जो भी एयर बबल्स, एयर पॉकेट्स क्रिएट होने थे, वो आपने उनको टाइम ही नहीं दिया क्रिएट करने के लिए, राइट? सो बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच मॉइस्चर, बिकॉज आपका केक अंदर से बेक नहीं हुआ है, you will definitely see that dip in your cake. Okay, so please avoid under baking your cake, and please implement this particular tip that I have just shared with all of you. And the last reason, last and the most important reason, is opening the oven door too soon, or opening your cooker and kadhai ka dhakkan too soon. So what is happening at this point of time is, when you open the oven door, when you open your microwave door, or when you open your cooker and kadhai ka dhakkan, while the baking is going on, the heat that is generated, the heat that is actually helping you bake your cake, it is quickly escaping. And you already know, जब भी heat available नहीं रहता, your air pockets, they are going to burst. If the air pockets which are going to help you rise your cake, if they are bursting, what will happen? You are going to get that dip in your cake, right? So please ensure that when the time is nearing your baking time, say for example, if the baking recipe says bake this cake for like 30 minutes or so, around 20-25 minutes only, you try to remove the cake tin, do the doneness check, That is how you should go about it. If the cake is not baked, keep on baking it for another 10 to 15 minutes interval. But before that, just out of curiosity, आप अपना अवन डोर या फिर कुकर का ढक्कन या कढ़ाई का ढक्कन या माइक्रोवेव का डोर प्लीज ओपन ना करें. ठीक है. यू विल एंश्योर इन दिस केस व्हाट विल हैपन इज दैट जो भी हीट जनरेट हुआ है ऑल दैट हीट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू गो अवे. Right, that is not going to help you in baking a wonderful cake for your loved ones, for your family, and for your customers as well. So, guys, there you have it. Top 5 reasons why your cake sinks in the middle. We have tried to find out the root cause of why your cake sinks in the middle and how to avoid that. Guys, remember baking is all about practice. So, do not get discouraged if you are not able to bake a wonderful cake, right? Please keep on experimenting and honing your skills. And if you have found this video useful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video on my channel which is related to baking tips, cake decoration techniques and many more recipes. Right? So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy baking.